Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cultural exchange initiatives with AFS, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of cultural exchange is the first step. AFS offers a range of programs that facilitate these initiatives. Research the objectives of AFS and its various cultural exchange programs. Determine the specific goals you want to achieve through your initiative. Next, assess your target audience. Identify the community members who would benefit from cultural exchange. Create an inclusive and welcoming environment for participants. Reach out to local organizations that align with your goals. Collaborate with schools, community centers, and cultural organizations. Design a program that outlines activities and timelines. Incorporate cultural workshops, language classes, and community events. Ensure to include diverse perspectives and experiences in your programming. Establish a recruitment plan for participants. Utilize social media, community boards, and local events to attract interest. Conduct informational sessions to explain the program's benefits. Once you have participants, provide orientation sessions. Prepare them for their roles and responsibilities within the initiative. Create a feedback mechanism to gather insights from participants. Regularly assess the program's effectiveness through surveys and discussions. Adjust the program based on feedback to enhance the experience. Celebrate the success of your cultural exchange initiative. Host a closing event to recognize participants and share experiences. Document the outcomes to showcase your initiative's impact. Consider sharing best practices to inspire others. Foster ongoing connections among participants for future collaboration. Continue learning about cultural exchange to improve your future initiatives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.